Hi John.
Oi.
I think it's your first time to come to Zealan, this city, and to our factory. And this morning, me and our technician have done a lot of demonstration and training with you.
Yes.
How do you think about the whole process about the 4-in-1 laser welding machine?
It's good. At least now I've got a better understanding of the machine, and I can go back and can have a good start with the basics of the machine. And yeah, so at least I've got a good understanding of the machine.
Yes. Also, like I said in the car when we come in the morning, I think in New Zealand it's a relatively new market for us, not only for the welding machine, but the future for the press brake or the cutting machine. If we want to continue the cooperation with you as a reference, would you like to be our reference and help us to sell more machines in the New Zealand market?
Yes, definitely. That's in the future plan.
Yes.
And from my side on, I'm going to try and establish a market and be an agent over there with enough backup for the clients, and give them the confidence that if they buy a machine, there's someone locally that can support it.
Yes, because I think for you, you have a lot of more than 9 years of experience in the plasma cutting, press brake, and the traditional TIG welding experience. I think now you have come to our factory to learn the whole process about the interface, the system, and the welding process. I think in the future, very soon, maybe we'll have a new inquiry about the welding machine. I think after you receive the machine, you can allow our future welding customer to go and visit your workshop, and maybe you can help us to give them some basic understanding and introduction about our welding machinery.
I totally agree.
Thank you so much, John. I hope that, and I also believe in the future we'll have very much more cooperation. Thank you so much.
Thanks.